Love that new palette smell. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I'm here today to talk about the new, well, one of the new, because ColourPop be shooting them things out real fast, but one of the new ColourPop palettes. This one is, well, actually from the collection, that is, it is the Garden Variety. So I'm here today going to be talking about this collection and another thing added to that. But before I start, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things, of course. And don't forget to leave a comment below and hit that notification button while you're down there. So let's get right into it. So guys, now I gave you guys these two looks. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. I enjoyed myself quite much because this palette, at first I was a little scared of it, but I was like, you know what, I want to try it. So you guys already know, I started with the more darker eye this time, a little more bold, but look how that came out. Oh, I was just like hysterical. That's why when I put my concealer on, I was like, oh my God, it was just so amazing. So with those colors, like I like to do a lot of times in my videos, guys, if anyone's new here, hey, I love to talk about the colors that I use and then break down the palette and everything. What I went in with the darker color is Root Me Up. That one right there. Now it looks like a deep chocolate brown, but if you guys know on their website that it's a dark olive green brown. And I bought this palette just for that color. I sure did. I said, I like that. And I only have one other palette, and that's Juvia's Place palette that has those kind of off mossy, olivey greens. So I said, I'm about to get me some olive green in one of these palettes because I want to see how ColourPop does it. And I'm quite pleased. On camera, it's showing like it's just a dark chocolate brown or blackish. It's not. Even in person, it's like a good olivey brown green. It's really good. And I knew it. I was like, I gotta try a palette just for that color. I have to. And I'm glad I did because it was worth it. It was worth it. So the rest of this eye, you guys know I went in with the lighter shimmer. Their white was not bad, but I did use my Morphe concealer with it. So their white is not as good as that BH Cosmetic one I use. So, you know, that one's still like supreme. But this palette is really pretty. Even now when I talk about the lighter eye, this one was fun and easy to make. You can see how quick it was. And I said, you know, let me throw another look on top of it. That's why I showed you can go out with that light brown to pink variation, or you can go in with this and deepen it up at night or make it deeper if you want to, because this is really still pretty. It's more eye-opening to me than this one. It's a little more just like natural, but still opens my eye in the end. It's really, really pretty. The color I love the most out there, and I just had to use it. I had to. This one is Don't Leaf. That one right there. That one's one of those cushy pudding super shock feels. I love those shades because those ColourPop ones that are like super shocked are the best. And I didn't get to use this one called Clay Day, but I did use her right here. What's she called again? Sucker for You. I sure am a sucker for her because this, let me see. I gotta zoom in. Y'all gotta get into it. Let me zoom in. Okay. Now we close them. Now, I don't know. Get out here, Curly. Curly Q, get out. Okay. So when you look right here, it gave all that silver sparkle. So this thing is a dark maroon with a silver sparkle. I was like, what? Yeah, when I seen that, I was like, wait a minute. I gotta try that. I said, that is so freaking pretty. And I'm glad it's extremely pigmented, just like the Root Me Up. Those are really, like, when I swatched them, I was like, oh. Like really, I knew it was so pigmented, and I just couldn't wait to use it. I was like, I gotta use it, I gotta touch it. And of course, the one I use for a lot of the base is Stay Sharp. It's that good old cinnamon brown, that good cinnamon brown. I love those colors. Every time it's a color like that, I know, okay, this palette's gonna be pretty good, very decent, or just not gonna be bad at all. Because when that brown's in there, I'm like, yeah, it's gonna be good. One light color I really did like is herbivore. Hope I'm saying it right. This one right here, that second one. That one is like a, if you guys can see, it came up like orangey, like a pale orange with silver shimmer. Again, like I love those little silver shimmers. I like that theme. They kept putting silver kind of shimmers in there. Well, the darker ones at the bottom are more like silver glitter. The ones at the top are like a shimmer of silver. It's really pretty. It's a really good palette. It's not everywhere. At first I was thinking, oh, the kind of colors, and I just want that dark color, and I see the dark row. But I have to admit, it's really good because you get this whole dark row, and it's all the dark colors. So any of them you can pick from to create that crease, deepen it, that background, line it out. You can use that whole bottom row for that. And then you have all of these in the middle. Those are kind of like the shimmers. Some of them have that nice touch. Some of them are more matte than others, but they still have shimmer in them. And then the top is going to be like your light neutrals, your base, your anything to make the extra pop or anything to calm something down. Those are really, I like this palette. It's kind of like light to medium to dark. I actually really like the layout now, because at first I was looking at it, you know, online, and you see the picture and you're like I don't know, man. I don't know. But now that I see it, I'm like, I really actually enjoy this palette. It was very nice. Like I was like, it's nice. It gave me a little fresh air, a nice springy summer feel. Like, look at this eye. Literally, I kept adding things because I was like, this is too good. Too good, too fast. I said, I gotta add more. And that's why I was like, keep adding more, kept getting better. I was like, Jesus Christ. It's a good variation. I just had to give y'all two. Again, I was like, we're doing two. I couldn't help it. This retailed, I believe, for $18, and I used a coupon. I got it for less. Next, we have it's a cute little Luxe lip oil with a pressed powder blush duo called Bloom Together. You can see it's a light little purple. You guys already know it looked like lilac, light pastel purple. You already know I bought it because of that. You already know the deal. So you open it, it has the blush and the lip oil right there inside. This is the lip oil. Ooh, I like this. This one is called Rain Check. It's really, really cute. I like this one. But I do have it on, and my lips are looking nice and juicy. It doesn't really have too much of a smell. Well, it's a little fruity, a little bit. You like a little sweet, little fruity, but it's not nothing too much at all. And I just like because of the pastel purple. And I knew it was going to show up completely like that on my lips, but I just wanted to get a lip oil from it because I never got to try their lip oil. Oh, another thing is they stayed within trend. On the top, it has that light pastel mint color with the white flower kind of decors on there. This is the pressed powder blush in Night Bloom. So this is the cute little packaging. And has a cute little outprint of that flower again, and the mint color has a little opener right here, and it comes with a little mirror. So cute. Now look at this color. I did put it on both my cheeks, and I did end up deepening one cheek just to show you guys, but look at this color. Like, I was like, it's pastel purple, it's lilac blush. I have to try it. I just have to. I know sometimes colors would be like, I don't know if it's gonna work, but actually I feel like if they made variations of this purple, they did that and make it like a little deeper, a little deeper, a little deeper. Oh, that'd be great. That'd be fantastic, because this, if it was just a little bit deeper, I'd be like slapping that on my face. If I put this with a kind of rosy, darker rose blush and then put this kind of on top of it, that'll make it like even more blushing, but like soften it. It won't turn too red or rose. But this, I'm definitely gonna use this as eyeshadow too, like, cause it's so cute. Of course I smell it, but it ain't got no smell. So guys, that was my review over the new Garden Variety by ColourPop. If they had like deeper purple blushes, I would buy more of those purple blushes. So, hey guys, thanks for watching Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.